Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add and set up the fingerprint on OPPO A60. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to find security and privacy and then go there. And the first thing that you need to do is set up the screen lock. Before we can add the fingerprint, first we need to have a screen lock, so you can tap on device unlock and then tap on screen lock over here or here where it says none. And then we need to choose one of the available password types. So I'm gonna choose numeric. Now let's wait 5 seconds and then press continue. And over here we need to enter 6 digits. I'm gonna enter a really simple code. And let's press use one more time. Of course you don't have to use the same. And now we will be offered to set up the fingerprint. So for now I won't do that, just to assume that you have the screen lock but you didn't set up the fingerprint yet. So once you go to the device unlock and you have the screen lock enabled, then instead you can go to face and fingerprint unlock over here. And now here we have fingerprint, which should be not enrolled by default. So if you tap over here, then you need to agree to the statement of use. Then you will need to enter the code that you had set up for the screen lock. And now over here we'll see where we have our fingerprint sensor, and we need to place our finger on the sensor. So the sensor is located on the right side over here on the power button. So if you press on the power button, then you will start scanning the finger. Of course you need to keep pressing, you don't really have to press, but you need to touch it and then release the finger several times until everything is set up. So once the image is blue, fully blue, then you will complete the process of adding the fingerprint. Once the fingerprint is added, we have two options. We can press done and proceed with the fingerprint setup, or we can add another fingerprint, so we can have more than one. And if you want to make sure that the device will detect your fingerprint each time without any issues, then of course you can feel free to add more fingerprints just in case. I'm gonna press done, and now over here we have the information. You are recommended to also enroll your face and use face unlock. So of course we don't really need to do that right now. We can just press cancel. And over here we have the menu for the fingerprint. Over here we have our finger that is saved. We can press on these three dots in order to rename it and delete it. We can add another one. We can use fingerprint for 3 things by default. So we have the screen unlock, we have app lock, and private save. We can also enable the option to enter home screen after unlocking. And then we also have the screen off unlock, which is set to light touch by default. And we can also set it to firm touch as well. And that's it. Once you are done, once you set up the fingerprint, over here it should say on. And now you can use your fingerprint in order to unlock the device. So if you lock your device and then touch the power button with your finger, then you should be able to unlock your device really easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.